I message you. This is what it... Just follow me back first. Wala akong pasok bukas. Kaya nga nagpa-part-time ako dito eh. No, not that. Star, do you know what it means? Comment here. Here. I'll message you. Yan. Yan. You are pretty. Yan. You guys are good. Okay, let's do it again tomorrow. The Tagalog. Part-time ang gagi. Oh, pre. Yes, you ganda mo. No space. No space. Dagan and da. No space. Just the mo. Ganda mo. It's the first. It's the whole world. Whole world. Word. Kaloka. Wala na. Baliw na sila eh. Ubus na ang brain cells. FG! Kailangan ko ng tulong. Nathan, I'm going embassy. Take it. Oh, is that real? No, I don't want to be a teacher. I want to be a HR specialist. I want to work in the office, in the business field. Oo nga eh, FJ. May Koreano, FJ. May Koreano. Tangina, ubus na talaga pati bulbul, ubus na. Hayop. And a nice teacher. I see little lazy of Gago, tamad daw ako. Tarantado to ah. Dr. Pepper. No, I'm not that lazy. I'm just sleepy. But, you know, sometimes I feel like I'm lazy too. So, yeah. You can tell. I can say you can tell. I love Korea. Me too. Oh, thank you so much. Don't bother sending me, okay? Office One gossips, rumors, 7 copy. Is that true? Boso! Tarantado. Gago ka talaga, FJ. Tangina mo. Okay, pamak. Gago, baka sa 3 oras na nagla-live ako, English na lang ako ng English. You're getting trained for that. I don't know, because my mother basically works as marketing. She markets like business. I like hospital beds, like medical supplies. She markets, and I can see she's busy. She doesn't gossip, sits every day, takes 7 coffees a day. It's family business, I see. No, it's not our family business. Just company. Where she works. Yeah, she works with good people and she doesn't like gossiping. Me too. I don't like gossips. I don't like rumors. Spreading fake news. I don't like that because I don't want also to be talked about. Itang inang galing ko English, pre. Dire-diretso siya. Tama ba to? Bakit sa school pag kinakausap ako ng prof ko, hindi kami nagkakaintindihan? How about you, Herong? Did you graduate? Tangina, parang nagko-call center. Pasado na kagad ako dito pag nag-apply ako. Galing ko, tangina, napapatulala ako. Like, ako ba to, ma'am? Galing. Hi, En. Galing ko, Em, no? Lapit ko. Ako lang naman to. Hi, Dos. How about you, Heirong? Are you still in school, schooling, or you graduate? Hi, Dos. Kamusta, Dos? Ito yung mga tipo ko, mga seaman. Ay, charot. Pag recitation, oo, pag sa recitation, total, pag dito sa Bigo, tuloy-tuloy. I'm 30. Oh, I see. But Ganyan talaga 'pag Koreano 'no, hindi sila mukhang ano, FJ. Ulul, FJ. Hindi, siyempre ayoko ng gano'n magma-market ka, gusto ko nasa office lang ako. I-screenshot ko nga yung comment ni Star. Isa-send ko sa GC. Asan na yung comment? Where's the comment of Star? Office woman gossips rumor. 7 coffee a day. I love that comment. I'm going to save it. English only live. Go! Go! Gawin kayong ganyan. I'm 21. Star, you're 9 years older than me, but you don't look like 30. I swear. You look like 25. Is that what Korean people really look like? Eh. No, I'm kidding. No, I love that comment because some of it are true. Tangina, kalbo na ako. Prince, hello. Some of it are true. I can tell because, you know, my teachers, my professors were like that. Not just office woman. Haru, I like you. Thank you so much. I like you too, guys. Hi, Natu. Just forgive my English speaking. Parang nagsisik. Oo nga eh. Parang mali yata bumalik ako ng Bigo eh. Ang laki ng mukha. Gago. Ano yung skill? Mahal kita to. No, don't say to. Mahal din. Dapat din. Kita. That. Ah, gago. Yan. Ganyan, Star. That's good. That's correct. Jordan 38. What products, what are the viral products that Koreans really use? Haerong. Because you Koreans look very young. Yeah, that's true. You look very young. What's your secret? Pero maganda lips. Ramil. Oo na, Ramil. Ikaw puna ka ng puna. Gigigil ako sa'yo.